Good morning children. This video is for class 2, term 3, chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is money. This is our lecture number 2. Today's topics are addition sums of money and subtraction sums of money. So let's start.
So beta, so first of all we will do addition of rupees and paise given on page number 32. Okay. So here beta, first of all we will do one example of addition of money. So here it is given add 25 rupees 20 paise and 48 rupees 30 paise. Now I am going to tell you the steps what you have to follow to solve the given question. Okay. So beta, first of all we will arrange it in rupees and paise. So here we will write rupees and paise. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to write the 25 rupees and 20 paise. 25 rupees in rupee column and 20 in paise column. Now we have to write the next amount, that is given 48 rupees 30 paise. Okay. Now we have to put the sign of addition. Okay. Now step number 1, that is add the amount in the पैसे column first. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम पैसे वाले column को solve करेंगे, which is given on our right hand side. So let's start. 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Okay. Now we have to do step number 2, that is then add the amount in the rupees column. Okay. So here beta, it is given 5 plus 8. So keep 5 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here 13 is 2-digit answer. That's why we will write 3 here and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Now keep 3 in your mind and open your 4 fingers. Now 3 plus 4. We have to count forward. 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we will write 7. So what is the answer beta? That is 73 rupees 50 paise. Understood? Now beta, activity of page number 32. So here it is given question number 1, add the money. This is rupees and paise. Now we have to add 8 rupees 50 paise and 6 rupees. Okay. Now we will put here plus sign. So let's start from paise column first. So here 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. So here we will write 0. Now 5 plus 0, that is equal to 5. And 8 plus 6. So keep 8 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here we will write 14. So what is the answer beta? That is 14 rupees 50 paise. Now in next question, it is given 80 rupees 36 paise and now we have to add 49 rupees 18 paise in it. Okay. So here we will put plus sign. So let's start from our right hand side or paise column first. So 6 plus 8. Keep 6 in your mind, 8 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here beta 14 is 2-digit answer. That's why we will write 4 here and 1 will be carryover. Now 1 plus 3, 4 and 4 plus 1, 5. So here we will write 5. Now 0 plus 9, that is equal to 9. 8 plus 4. So keep 8 in your mind and open your 4 fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we will write 12. So what is the answer beta? That is 129 rupees 54 paise. Okay beta. Now in next question, it is given 16 rupees 40 paise and now we have to add 20 rupees 50 paise in it. Okay. So here we will start from our right hand side. So 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0 and 4 plus 5. So keep 4 in your mind and open your 5 fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we will write 9. Okay. Now 6 plus 0, that is equal to 6. So here we will write 6. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So what is the answer? That is 36 rupees 90 paise. Now in next question, it is given 11 rupees 50 paise, and we have to add 12 rupees in it. Okay, so let's start from our right hand side. So 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. 5 plus 0, that is equal to 5. Now 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3, and 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So what is the answer, beta? That is 23 rupees 50 paise. Understood? Now beta, in next question we have given again rupees and paise, and we have to add 54 rupees 75 paise and 23 rupees 25 paise. Now we have to add. So let's start from our right hand side. So here it is given 5 plus 5. So keep 5 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here beta, 10 is 2-digit answer. That's why we will write 0 here and 1 will be carryover. Okay. Now 1 plus 7, that is equal to 8. Okay, and 8 plus 2. So keep 8 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting again. 9, 10. So again we have 2-digit answer. So here we'll write 0 and 1 will be carry over in rupees column. ठीक है, पैसे का कैरी बेटा हमेशा रुपीस में जाता है. Okay. Now 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. 5 plus 3. So keep 5 in your mind. Open your 3 fingers. Now we have to speak forward counting. 6, 7, 8. So here we will write 8. Now keep 5 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. 6, 7. So here we will write 7. So what is the answer beta? That is 78 rupees. Okay, because paise are 0, so we can speak it like 78 rupees. Understood beta? Always remember this thing, that in paise column there should be 2 digits only. Okay. Now beta, we will do subtraction of rupees and paise, which is given on page number 32 in your book. So first of all, we will do an example of it. So here it is given, subtract rupees 18 and 50 paise from rupees 40 and 60 paise. Okay, so here beta, we have to write first of all the amount that is bigger. One amount is rupees 18 and 50 paise, and second amount is rupees 40 and 60 paise. So which amount is bigger? That is rupees 40 and 60 paise. So first of all we will write this amount, and after that we will subtract rupees 18 and 50 paise from this amount. Okay, so here we will write rupees and paise, 40 rupees 60 paise and 18 rupees 50 paise. Now we have to subtract. So here step number 1, that is subtract the amount in the paise column first. So first of all we will solve with this amount. Okay, so 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0, and 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. Now we have solved our paise column. Now we will solve rupees column. So step number 2 is subtract the amount in the rupees column. Okay, now 0 minus 8, that is not possible. So here we will take borrow, and this 0 will become 10 and this 4 will become 3. Now 10 minus 8. So keep 10 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting because we are subtracting the given amounts. Okay, so let's start. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So here we will write 2. Okay, and 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So what is the answer? That is rupees 22 and 10 paise. Understood beta? Now we will do activity which is given on page number 32, subtraction sums. So here subtract the money. Question number 2. It is given rupees and paise, 20 rupees 50 paise, and the second amount is 10 rupees 50 paise. Now we have to subtract. So let's start from our right hand side. So it is given 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0, and 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. Again we have given 0 minus 0, that is also equal to 0, and 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So what is the answer beta? That is 10 rupees, because here paises are 0, so we can speak it like 10 rupees only. Okay, now in Second question. It is given rupees and paise again. 25 rupees only. Okay. And we have to subtract 15 rupees and 50 paise from 25 rupees. So let's start from our right hand side. 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. And here it is given 0 minus 5. That is not possible. So here we will take borrow, and this 0 will become 10. And this 5 will become 4. Now 10 minus 5. So keep 10 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So here we will write 5. Now 4 minus 5. Now 4 is the smaller number than 5. We cannot subtract. So here we will take borrow. And this 4 will become 4 plus 10, that is equal to 14. Okay, and this 2 will become 2 minus 1, 1. So keep 14 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. Let's start 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So here we will write 9. Okay, and 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So what is the answer, beta? That is 9 rupees 50 paise. Now in next question, it is given 36 rupees and we have to subtract 12 rupees from it. Okay, so here we will put minus sign. So let's start from our right hand side. 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. Again it is given 0 minus 0, that is also equal to 0. Means paise are 0. Now we have to solve a rupees column. 6 minus 2. So keep 6 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. 5, 4. So here we will write 4. And 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So here we will write 2. So what is the answer? That is 24 rupees. Now in next sum, it is given 37 rupees 50 paise and 18 rupees we have to subtract from it. Okay. Now we will start from our right hand side. 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. 5 minus 0, that is equal to 5. Now 7 minus 8. So here beta you can see 7 is the smaller number than 8. So we cannot subtract 8 from 7. So here we will take borrow and this 7 will become 7 plus 10, that is equal to 17. And this 3 will become 3 minus 1, 2. Now keep 17 in your mind and 8 on your fingers. Now we have to speak backward counting. So let's start 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So here we will write 9. Okay, and 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So what is the answer, beta? That is 19 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. Now in next sum, it is given 22 rupees 50 paise and we have to subtract 10 rupees 40 paise from it. Okay, so here we will put minus sign. 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Okay, and 2 minus 0, that is equal to 2. And 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So what is the answer, beta? That is 12 rupees and 10 paise. Understood? You have to do practice of it. Okay. Now today's homework. Do question number 4 of worksheet. It is given on page number 34 in your book and you have to do question number 4 in your book only. Okay. So now I am going to show you what are the questions of your homework. Now beta, homework sums are worksheet page number 34, question number 4, add or subtract the following. So here in A part it is given rupees and paise, 46 rupees 90 paise and 11 rupees 20 paise. Now you have to add these given amounts. Okay. Now in B part it is given that 57 rupees 60 paise and second amount is 24 rupees 40 paise and you have to subtract this. Okay. So beta, when you will solve the sums, now first of all you have to look at the sign. Which sign is given, plus or minus, and after that accordingly you have to solve the sum. Okay, first of all you have to see the sign, which sign is given. Now in C part, it is given 63 rupees, 21 rupees, 40 paise. You have to add these amounts, okay? And in D part, again it is given 38 rupees 40 paise and 22 rupees 50 paise, and you have to subtract these amounts, okay? So do it carefully. Which sign is given, you have to focus on that, okay? Now beta, homework solution of lecture number 1. So I had given you 3 questions, okay, with two parts. So let's start. Here it is given in question number 2, what is the total amount of page number 30? Okay, so what is the total amount? Here beta, we have given some notes and we have to find out the total amount of those money. Okay, so here in D part, it is given these notes and one coin is also there. So let's see which notes are there. 100 rupee note, again 100 rupee note, then 50 rupees note, then again 50 rupee, again 50 rupee, and this is a coin of 5 rupee. Okay, so now we have to add this amount. So here we will write rupees 100 plus rupees 100 plus rupees 50 plus rupees 50 plus rupees 50 plus rupee 5. Now we will add. So 100 plus 100, that is equal to 200. 200 plus 50, 250. 250 plus 50, 300. 300 plus 50, 350. And now we will add rupee 5. So 350 plus 5, that is equal to 355. So here we will write 355. Okay. Now in E part, these notes are given 100 rupee, again 100 rupee, again 100 rupee. And then 50 rupee, 20 rupee and 10 rupee. So here we will write rupee 100 plus rupee 100 plus rupee 100 plus rupees 50 plus rupees 20 and plus rupees 10. Now we have to add. So 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 100, 300, 300 plus 50, 350, 350 plus 20, 370 and 370 plus 10, that is equal to 380. So here we will write the answer rupees 380. Understood beta? Now beta, activity of page number 31. It is given in question number 1, write in figures. So here beta, we have given D part 80 rupees and 30 paise. It is given in words and we have to write it in figures. Okay, so how we can write it? Rupees 80 and 3030 paise. So here we will write rupees 80 means symbol of rupee, then 8080 and 3030 for P for paise. Okay. And in E part also we have to write it in figure 10 rupees and 60 paise. So how we can write rupees 10 and 6060 paise like this. Understood beta? Now question number 2. Write in words. So here beta, we have given the amount in figures and we have to write it in words. Okay, so in D part it is given rupees 250 and 50 paise. So how we can write it in words? Here we will write 250 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, so TWO2 HUNDRED 100 FIFTY 50 RUPEES rupees AND and FIFTY 50 PAISE paise. Okay, now in E part it is given rupees 190 paise. So again we have to write it in words. So here we will write ONE1 HUNDRED 100 RUPEES rupees and AND NINETY 90 PAISE paise. So beta, here you need to learn the spellings of all number names. Okay. Thank you.